Tired of retyping customer info every time you add a similar client? Clone any customer in Zoho Books with just 4 clicks. In this tutorial, I'll show you exactly where to click to clone a customer, from opening Zoho Books to saving the duplicate. First, open Zoho Books to get started. Then, click on the Sales module from the left sidebar. Now, click on Customers to view your customer list. Select a customer you want to clone. For example, click on Bobby AI. Next, click on the More button to see additional options. Then, click on Clone to begin the cloning process. A confirmation dialog appears. Click on Proceed to continue. Now, choose whether to clone as a customer or vendor. Click on Customer. Then, click on Proceed again to move to the next step. Click on Change Settings to customize the cloned customer. Then, click on the fields you want to copy to highlight them. Finally, click on Save to complete the cloning process. That's it. If you have any feedback or if any info is inaccurate, please leave a comment below. We'll do our best to answer or redo the video if needed. Thanks for watching.